3 years ago, we gave away our first sweepstakes ever, a Jeep Wrangler and DoDrop Alpha trailer, and we are back with our 11th sweepstakes. Over $1 million worth of cars and cash prizes have been given away since, and it's now your chance of a lifetime to win this ultimate adventure package. A 392 Jeep Wrangler pushing over 470 horsepower with a 4.5-inch lift, 38-inch tires, and the one and only DoDrop Alpha trailer being towed behind it. It's the ultimate adventure package, and it could be yours. You know the drill. Go to Forged4x4.com, become a member. You're automatically entered to win. Good luck.